Here is another example on how to convert whole numbers in base 10 to base 7. Let's convert 126 in base 10 to base 7. Solution. First, we draw a table. We place our 126 at this side. Then we place the base we are converting it to, 7 in this case, at the other side. Then we divide. 7 goes in 126, we take it by bits. 7 goes in 12, that's 1 remainder 5. 7 goes in 56, that's 8 remainder 0. Divide again by 7. 7 goes in 18, that's 2. 7 multiplied by 2, we have 14. When you take away 14 from 18, we have a remainder of 4. But divide again by 7. 7 goes in 2, that gives us 0, remainder 2. Then we take the remainders upwards. Therefore, 126 base 10 is the same thing as 2, 4, 0, base 7. That's how to convert 126 base 10 to base 7. Thank you.